Hey friends, Mike here from the Retail Leadership Lab. Going to spend a little bit of time today talking about my wife and I's eBay journey, the path that we used to make over $1 million in sales on eBay with very low investment so that you too can go out and do the same thing if you choose. I'm going to try to break this down in really specific, careful steps and do so in under 5 minutes. So sit back, relax, and get a notebook out, and let's go make some money. So first and foremost, I think that when you choose to sell something, you need to choose the platform you're going to do it on. And we chose eBay because of the simplicity that platform offers. You can go on, you can have a listing up, active, and live, and being showcased to millions of people in under 5 minutes. So there's a method of payment. They've already taken care of that. They make it easy for somebody to pay. They make it easy for you to get your money. There's click-through options for shipping. So all the stuff that slows down would-be entrepreneurs, they've taken care of this stuff. Like that's awesome. So that's number one. Number two, you've got to pick a product that has a wide appeal. So one of the more successful products that we sold on eBay was calendars. And the idea kind of came from every year you walk into a mall and there's a kiosk with a bunch of calendars, and that thing starts setting up just after Halloween, prior to Thanksgiving, and it's gone by February 1st. So we looked at that model and we said, if we were to go really hard with a product line similar to that, like, could we sell calendars during a really short window of time, wanting to protect my wife's time, protect her ability to be a stay-at-home mom, protect her ability to be with our 5 kids, and help them, love them, nurture them, ensure that they got the best education, and put that at the top of our priority list, along with her building the spiritual foundation in our home and protecting our kids' spiritual well-being as well. So that was job one for her, but could we find a part-time job where she could work out of the home and not disrupt that? And that's where we landed on this. We're going to sell some stuff on eBay. And I've written about this in my first book, Sales Strategy, and I take people through like how we chose products, and we didn't hit winners right away, but the calendars were definitely a winner. They're easy to list. They're nice and square. They're easy to get pictures of. And we bought the vast majority of our calendars from discount retailers and dollar stores for about $1. And we sold them on average for $5 to $10, depending on the calendar, the thickness, just the overall quality, and then whether or not we thought it was trending and it would sell. And I'll tell you, the top profitable calendar was just the base model with the big boxes. No cute pictures, no nothing. People just wanted something they could hang up and write their appointments in, and that it would be nice and visible. And we sold tens of thousands of the big box calendar over the course of a few years. So simple still works, right? The other thing is you need to be able to tell a very effective story with pictures. So when we looked at who we were competing with online with other people selling calendars, what we learned very quickly is the vast majority of people who are selling calendars on the internet via any type of online store, whether they had it out at Amazon or Barnes & Nobles or Borders or eBay, they were taking a shortcut. They were just taking a picture of the front of the calendar. And our secret sauce became that eBay allowed at that time a feature photo plus up to 10 additional photos. So we could take 11 pictures. So what we got really good at doing was showing off as many months as possible, trying to recreate the experience that calendar stores had created in malls so that you could flip the calendar over and look at every single month and really see what you were buying. Particularly if you were buying something that's trendy or you're buying it for the pictures. You want to see that stuff. You want to get a real feel for like how big are the boxes, what pictures are they, what are the quality. Like if you're buying a calendar to be motivated, then you want to see what the quotes are, like how do they align with different things. So just letting the pictures tell a really deep story. and then taking additional time with each picture to write out a very clear description, because eBay is live on the internet. So every one of those pictures over time, or about a 30-day window, becomes SEO, right? So search engine optimized, so that people searching out there and they're searching running calendar, that's going to pop up the more times you have it. And eBay sets your store, your SEO preferences to your store, they set that up very similar to if you just had your own store. So now you've got, Friends TV show, calendar, Chandler and Monica moment listed. Anybody out there searching that is getting pulled to eBay, which is great for their traffic, but they're getting pulled to your specific store. So you can't beat that. So they take care of the traffic for you, as long as you do a good job actually digging in and telling a really clear story and thinking about the way that people would actually search the item. Dollar stores took care of the product for us, and that final piece left is shipping and packaging, right? So we packed them in file folders, guys. We took two 2-cent file folders and slid them across the calendar and put tape around the edge, smacked a label on it, and wrote on there, "Do not bend," with a smiley face. That was the big secret. So some people go out and they spend a bunch of money on packaging. We were really interested in selling as many items as we could at as high a margin as we could. So we landed on calendars purchased from the dollar store with great pictures and description, with flimsy packaging, cute notes on the packaging. And we really lived by the motto, if you ordered today, we were going to ship today. So we shipped it fast. And then we set up all the eBay tools to communicate. Hey, thanks for your purchase. Hey, your purchase was shipped today. Hey, here's the tracking. Try to avoid all the questions that might come out. We did over $1 million in calendar sales. I told you the margin. You can do the math, right? So that's the thing. You can do this too. Find an item worth $5 that you can buy in mass at $1 each. Write a quality listing that pulls people to the thing. Pack and ship it fast and provide great service on the backside. You make a lot of money on a site like eBay. Hey, go get after it. Who says the Retail Leadership Lab is only about big bots? We're also about the little guy running the little store out of his house. Have a great week.